a quadrilateral has 4 internal angles. Here we will prove that the sum of these 4 internal or interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We can easily prove it for any quadrilateral. If we take any quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral. If we divide that quadrilateral diagonally and make 2 triangles, so then these triangles, 3 angles, we know the sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and the sum of these 3 angles of this triangle will be another 180 degree. So if we sum up this all 6 angles, we will be getting 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is 360 degree, and altogether these 6 angles in this 2 triangle covers one interior angle, these 2 covers another one, this one covers this one, and these 2 covers this interior angle of the quadrilateral. So altogether these 6 angles of this 2 triangle covers these 4 interior angles of this quadrilateral. So the sum of these 4 quadrilateral triangles interior angles is 360 degree. Now we will use the relation that sum of 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We will use this relation to find the value of pronumerals for each of the following quadrilaterals. So let us start with this first example. Here in a quadrilateral, 4 angles, among them 3 angles are given, one is we need to find. So we know the sum of these 4 angles are 360 degree. So we can write A plus 150 degree, 15 degree plus 75 degree plus 75 degree is 360 degree. Sum of all 4 interior angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degree. So now from here, if we sum up these 3, 75 and 75 is 150 and 115, so altogether it will be 265 degree. If we take this 265 in this side, then A will be 360 degree minus 265 degree, we will get 95 degree. That means this angle is 95 degree. Let us do the second example. Here 4 interior angles, among them one is given directly in value and 3 others are given in terms of variable x. So we know this all 4, their summation will be 360 degree. So x plus x plus 5 plus twice x minus 5 plus 60 degree, this all 4 summation will be 360 degree. So if we take this 60 degree this side, we will get, this side we will get 300 degree, and here this minus 5 and plus 5 will cancel, x plus x, twice x plus twice x, 4x. So we are getting 4x equals 300. So x will be 75 degree. So once we know the value of x, we can find this angles. So this angle is 75 degree. This is x plus 5, that is 75 plus 5. So this angle is 80 degree. And this is twice x minus 5. 2 times 75 is 150 minus 5. That means this angle will be 145 degree. Now here, this is a quadrilateral, 1 arms, 2 arm, 3 arm and 4 arm. So we need to find the value of x as well as this A. So first, if we consider this internal 4 angle, here one of the angle is reflex angle. You can see this is a reflex angle, but the sum of these 4 angles will be 360 degree. So x plus twice x minus 30, twice x minus 30 means degree, then 4x, and then this 40 degree, this is 30 degree, 40 degree will be 360 degree. So now x and 2x, this is 3x and this 4x, so we will be getting 7x equals, this is 30 and plus 40, so we will have plus 10 degree, and if we take this 10 degree on the other side, it will be minus, so we will get 350 degree. So from here we are getting x equals, if we divide by 7, we will get 50 degree. So x is 50 degree. So if x is 50 degree, so this angle is 50 degree. So this angle will be 2 times x, that is 100, and then minus 30, so it will be 70 degree. 4x will be 200 degree. Now we need to find a also. So here this is a revolution, that is complete circle. So a plus 4x, that is 200, will give a plus 200 will be, we know a complete revolution is 360 degree. So this complete circle, that is the full revolution, is 360 degree. So this 4x is 200 degree, and a plus 200 degree, that is 4x, 200 degree is 360. So a will be, if we take this 200 this side, we will get 160 degree. So this a angle, this angle is 160 degree.